Yeah, and I think kapahaka it's a total different space in today's society. You know, a lot of it's just so beautiful because a lot of our rangatahi and our tamariki are just really inspired. You know, we have a lot of, you know, real famous kapahaka whānau that our tamariki and our rangatahi look up to. You know, a lot of our rangatahi, you know, we've got maimua with our rōpū, all our other kaiwaiata, Maisirika, Rob Ruha, and these are all whānau that are unconsciously really planting a seed within our tamariki. And actually, while I've got an opportunity, thank you. You know, it is really beautiful to wake up in the morning and, you know, my children are listening to Māori waiata, uruwhetu, and or kapahaka. You know, they watch kapahaka constantly. All the secondary schools, I think I know most of Raukura's waiata āringa. And that's really humbling. It's really humbling for a parent because those are really important. Well, they're just other ways and tools of how we engage our tamariki and cultural identity.